Alright guys, here we go again. We've got a Connex 3300 HP up here for Mr. 00. Alright big guy, we got your radio all set up and ready to go back to you. So we went ahead and redone the receive on this. We went ahead and put the Scotty diodes upgrade into it and realign the receive a little bit to quiet it down. It just didn't quite suit me, so we went ahead and took care of that. We upgraded your capacitors as far as on your input side to help quiet down any kind of noise and to give it just a little extra punch. So figure what we'll do here is take just a minute and we're going to show you here on the oscilloscope and also on the spectrum analyzer here what we've got going on. Alright, so I'm going to start with the oscilloscope first. Get the camera into position. Alright, so start by single carrier. Going to go ahead and induce a 1000 kilohertz tone into it. So the screen's a little bit brighter than what it should be, but we've got your nice even amount of peaks on it. We'll go over here, shut that back off. Go up here, spectrum analyzer. I'm going to go ahead and dead key here to start with. Now you are going to see, going along here, you're going to see a couple of places as far as the noise that's already in the noise floor itself. So those don't be concerned about. Get a nice clean spike. Go ahead and induce some modulation to it. Currently set at 27205 with 20 dBm, 30 kilohertz division, 3. Alright, so let's see if we can get you start here. I'll this. So you're dead nuts on the frequency on the transmit as well as on your receive. Now if we can get this cable over here. Over here the hand mic for this. And today what we're using on your radio, because I believe you said that you were going to use a noise canceling mic, so we're using the Ranger SRA 198. Okay, so okay, from left to right we've got our 50 watt slug in 1x position. So we're going to be reading our center scale here, 25 watt slug and RMS, so the top scale over here. Alright, so right now I've got this set for the high power switch as in the high position. So I'll show you what our dead key is up on high, which is right at 4 watts. I figure that's going to work well for just everyday general talking. Hello, 1 2 1 2 audio. Hello, radio, audio. So about 38 watts PEP is what we're looking at. Hello, audio. And depending on how hard you get into it, you're looking at about 16 birds. So should give you some good numbers, some good reports going out there on the airways. Hello, check 1 2, audio, audio, audio. So depending on how deep your voice is, just with regular talk here, we'll show you what it's doing here with just normal everyday talk. Hello, check 1 2, 1 2, radio, audio, check 1 2, audio. Now you will see those numbers go up if you use a stock mic versus a noise canceling microphone. Either that or you're just going to have to talk a little bit louder. But I wanted to kind of show you under regular conditions and with what I think that you're going to be using on that. So, all right, big guy. Hopefully you like everything that was done to your radio. Should be good to go, big guy. Alright, everybody, I appreciate it. Like I said, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button located at the bottom of the page. We'd love to add you to the list of viewers, and that just makes us want to go ahead and shoot more videos. So, like I said, guys, if you would, like I said, hit the like and subscribe. Like I said, we'd greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.